Un, deux. Un, deux, trois.
Excellent!
Third cocktail on the earth and root section is called square root. Now, if the truffle and strife is for the Manhattan lovers, then the squared root is certainly for martini lovers. There are two ingredients again. First ingredient is vodka. It's a vodka martini, also known as a kangaroo originally. And then the vermouth we've used is a dandelion and burdock vermouth, because it's dandelion root and burdock root in dandelion and burdock. So, again, it's a pre-mixed bottle. Who can say where the road goes? We boil down dandelion and burdock, we make a reduction essentially, and then we just mix that with a base vermouth, very similar to in the truffle and strife, just a similar vermouth. So, it's 90 ml. You stir it. Why do you stir it? Because it's a very spirituous cocktail. We don't want any real aeration. All the reasons Reese went into in the basic techniques video. So, ice it up. It's worth not warning people, but if anybody orders this cocktail, they'll see dandelion and burdock listed in the ingredients, and they might expect something light and sweet like dandelion and burdock is. This cocktail is not that. It is a very heavy, spirited cocktail, so it's worth reminding people when they order it that it is like a martini, and it is very strong. So, stir it down. We get our lovely cold glass, which I would have taken out of a freezer, or typically had crushed ice in it, because crushed ice will cool it quicker. We pour him out. So, apart from the dandelion and burdock, what makes this different to a typical vodka martini is it does need a little bit of bite, which, as with the soulmates, that vinegar really helps a cocktail, bind a cocktail together. So the garnish for this is a pickled ginger, which Reese and I pickle ourselves. Oh, and they are cut into little squares because we're terribly clever. The cocktail's called square root. Where are we? Come here. So the garnish, what this will do is it will gently, as the cocktail sits, it will the vinegar will disperse into the cocktail. So it has an evolved lifetime. The first sip to the last sip will be slightly different. And there we have it. There we have the squared root for the martini lovers.